Campbell is learning how to ride a bike. This is his absolute very first. Oh my gosh! Woo! Pedal, pedal! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! We haven't even taught him! Oh my god! So much for the lesson. Oh my... We never even told him what to do.
The pedals off. He did 2 laps with the pedals off, and now he's got it.
Oh my goodness! There he goes. Go Campbell!
He pushed himself.
Here he comes. Hold on.
Remember when I said 2 days and he'll be riding?
Here he comes! We haven't even told him yet. We just took the wheels off his bike and he's going.
Whoa, good boy.
Campbell, how do you know how to do that?